I did a story about this one time, interviewed an attorney, a judge up in Birmingham that you both know, I'll bet, and he told me on camera, I said, should you agree to blow into the breathalyzer or should you decline? And now this is a few years ago, and I think they've tweaked the law a little bit. He said, I'd rather have no number at all than a high number. In other words, he said, I would not blow into the breathalyzer. What's your advice?
100%. I do a lot of talking to the college folks, sororities, fraternities, and let them kind of know what the kind of defense would be, how it works, clearly. And, if you blow into that Draeger, it's a forensic science certified device. There's not going to be an argument.
They've already been to court about that.
And like the respected judge said, if you're the one under the spotlight, you'd rather have no number than a bad number. So,
but it changes the game. If you refuse, they can take you in, right?
Well, they're
going to take you in.
If they've got probable cause enough to believe you were drinking and operating that vehicle, they're going to take you in. Liability for them to release someone who's drinking and driving, and they have knowledge of it's just too high for law enforcement. So they're going to take you in. As far as proving the case, that's going to determine if you participate and you blow over that legal limit. And the chances of a lot of people doing that legal limit is so low for the purposes of trying to deter people from operating those vehicles. And so, and like I said, rather have no number than a convicted number.
So generally speaking, your advice is just respectfully decline to participate in that test.
With all respect to my law enforcement friends,
I know, and they're not bad guys.
Everything, I hate it, but
they're doing their job.
But as far as what I'm supposed to do or how I would advise my client, absolutely. The Draeger test is a mechanism developed for law enforcement, for the state, for the court to speed a conviction, and that scientific evidence can rarely be questioned, and it's really hard to beat it. So when that number comes out, and if it's over .08, the prosecutor really has an easy time. All he's pretty much got to do is put you behind the wheel of that car. So no number is better than a bad number.